The first thing you'll need to add the Publisher MasterTag to your Wix site is the Publisher MasterTag code itself. This can be found in the Awin UI in Publisher MasterTag from the Toolbox menu. Copy the code and then go to your Wix dashboard. In your dashboard, click Settings and then scroll down to Custom Code. In Custom Code, you can either click Add New Code from the top, or you can click Add Code in the body end section. You will need to paste the code into the first box. Give it a name, and select to load the code on each new page. You can check the location as well, body end, and finally click on Code Type and make sure that it is marked as Essential. Click Apply and the Publisher MasterTag has been successfully installed.